Father. Are you expecting anyone tonight, Father?
If I had been expecting guests, daughter, I would have told you so. Well, answer the door, then.
Father, it's Antonio and T-Unit.
Antonio? Let them in. No, wait. Tell them I'm not here.
I'm sorry, but they won't take no for an answer.
Then show the This is an outrage!
Well, I'm sorry, Shiloh, but we need to talk to you.
Anyone would think you're hiding from us.
Hiding? This is my home. Why would I need to hide from the likes of you? Am I a Christian? No. Do I sell drugs to pregnant women and innocent children? No. Do I hunt down people and kill them as you do? No. So I will do what I like in my own house.
Shylock, you're absolutely right, and we apologise.
I should think so. You insult me. What is your business here with me? Before you answer, Antonio, why the ras you look for me daughter? Is she of your complexion? And why do you come into my home with your ass on show in that manner? You a pervert? What statement are you trying to make?
Hey, look, it's a style over fashion. It's a rude boy thing.
Then tell me, rude boy, are you just another reject of society, desperate to fit in?
Shylock, we didn't come here for a lecture. We just want to do some business with you.
Please, Antonio, allow me a moment with your young friend here. Do you know the significance of this half-mast trousers look? No, I didn't think so. It came from gay prisoners in American jails. Yes.
What you know?
Plenty. Gays who were advertising their asses for sale to other inmates for protection would walk around like that. Are you saying that you two, Mr. T-Unit, are available to be poked?
Please don't. Yeah, hear me? Man say less than that end up dead, here.
You think me afraid of you? Me not care about your reputation. To me, you're still a batty boy.
Gentlemen, please, this isn't the time.
You know, see the boy a strip. You know, see him a strip my daughter with him yiding. You think my daughter is one of your bitches?
Hello. Charlotte, my darling. I see you have guests.
Guests?
Well, my
Mrs. Teef. I saw this young man staring at my daughter. Are you just a closet case? A fish head? Afraid to fully come out? Then let me help you. Come now, come. Come now, come. They say that 8 out of 10 bad men have homosexual tendencies. You no answer. You lost something while you keep staring at my daughter.
I wasn't.
Are you calling me a liar? Is he calling me a liar?
He clearly is.
Of course he's not, Shylock. Look, T, we're leaving. T! Look, Shylock, can you help us or not?
Look, Shylock. Even as we speak, he's looking at her.
T!
Oh, my God. I hope there's nothing going on between you two.
No, there's not. No, nothing at all.
Thank God. We'd hate the likes of that contaminating our Jewish race.
Hey, old man. Hey, you say if you don't come with this money, I'd just.
You'd adjust what? You hear that, my daughter? He threatened my life.
No, he didn't, Daddy. That's just how he speaks.
Ramesh, I heard him threaten your father. You'd have to be deaf not to have heard. Whose side are you on?
You might think you're smart, you know, because you're older and more experienced than we. But everybody knows exactly why you are. A twisted, jilted old Jew with money.
How dare you speak to Shylock in that tone? What do you know about pain?
Was he talking to you, my father's bed warmer?
Silence, Isadora. You think because I grew up in Jamaica, I am one of you? I can talk the patois like any black man, but I am not the son of slaves. And I have nothing else in common with you people, you hear me? Nothing. You see that? What does that say?
Oh, Shylock, this is unnecessary.
Not to me. What does it say?
H3931.
Yes, burned onto my skin in a concentration camp at Auschwitz in Nazi Germany when I was a boy. So you see, I am a Jew before I am a Jamaican. A son of Israel. You can't become a Jew. You must be born a Jew. I spit upon your Christian God.
That's right.
Even I know that the Holocaust was a myth, a lie spread by you Jews to get the sympathy of the world.
Oy vey. How dare you belittle our suffering as a people, or decimation as a race?
9 million we lost.
What about the diaspora and the decimation of the black culture that you Jews funded, eh? You don't want to talk about that. Nobody does.
And you owe me, Shylock.
I owe you nothing, Antonio.
Then let me remind you your promise. My father came to your rescue when you were being persecuted. He helped you to escape. He set you up in business. And when you lost your wife, he was there for you and your baby.
And I have repaid your father that debt 10 times over. Now you want me to pay it again?
You can't repay what you took from me as a child. My father, can you replace him? No. We're here today because I need your help.
I warn you. If you have any lustful thoughts towards my daughter, it ends here.
Shylock, it's a simple question. Will you help us?
I am listening, Antonio.
Then may I speak freely?
Please.
As you know, Scotland Yard's watching us for no valid reason, of course. They've frozen our assets because they claim that we're money laundering, even though they've got no proof, no evidence of this. The police are preventing us from running our legal business.
Legal?
Aye, legal. Shylock, it's all legal. Look, we've got a business transaction very close to completion this weekend. We need 500,000 to finalise it. Do you have that kind of money you can lend us?
Why else are you here?
Shylock, do you have the money?
Yes, I have the money. How long do you need it for?
3 months. 3 months, no longer. I will pay it back to you threefolds. 1.5 million pounds.
When the day comes that I need a black man, a coconut from Jamaica, to count my money for me, I will ask for it. 3 months, you say? A nice round sum. What do you think, Nerissa?
Why are you asking her? She's not even family.
The question is, my dear Shylock, is he a man of honor? We are. We live and die by our honor. But honor without respect is like a horseless carriage.
Well, Shylock, you know that. I mean, like my father, I'm an honourable man.
Do you remember last month, Antonio, when I called out to you for help in the street and you spat on me because I'm a Jew?
No, Shylock.
Well, I remember. Now you come to me and say, Shylock, we would like to borrow your ducat.
Hey, we get the money, and who asking nothing about bucket? We get the money, yes or no?
Shut up and let me finish. I don't want to hear any more filth from your Christian mouth.
Shylock, this is just business.
Yes, and last month you spat on me and called me a dog when I asked for your help. Yet I have borne it. I am a Jew, but I am still a man. I have an ordinary man's organs, senses, affections, and passions. Am I not fed with the same food? Hurt by the same weapons? Warmed and cooled by the same summer and winter? If you cut me, will I not bleed? If you tickle me, will I not laugh? If you stab me, will I not die? And if you wrong me, should I not take revenge? I will resemble you in death. Tell me, Antonio, can a dog lend you money?
Believe me, Shylock, I swear on the graves of my father and mother, I will never call you dog or spit on you again. But I'm not going to beg. I'm not going to beg you for this money, even though you'd be helping your own people.
My own people? Since when do Jews need help from white people? Have you forgotten your history? We built this rascal country. We own it.
Stupid old fool.
Father, I am ashamed of you.
Did I give you permission to speak? While you're in this house, you will obey my rules and speak only when spoken to. Sit down. Sit down. I will lend you this money, Antonio, out of friendship. But I will not eat with you, drink with you, or pray with you. 3 months, you say.
And with interest, will you take our bond?
And if you fail...
That will never happen. Trust me. Never fail.
Not so quickly. To show the depth of my kindness and the respect I had for your father, I will not take 1 drop of interest.
Well, is this some sort of joke? So what is it you want then, Shylock?
If you fail to pay me back within 3 months, I want a pound of your white flesh, which I will cut from your body myself. So what do you say, Antonio? I seem to have calmed you. Should I still get the bond?
No, Antonio. No. Don't take it. Look at him eye. He's a madman.
What? What do you know?
Hey, look. Your life is worth more than a pound of any
This
flesh.
is a good deal
Look,
to you, man.
come,
Look, the business is going to be signed and sealed long before the 3 months
It may
is
not
up.
be. Come,
Shylock,
leave it.
I agree to your terms.
Then I shall prepare the bond. Come, Nerissa.
Bastard. How could I be reduced to this level? Do you see that? He wanted me to beg him. I hate that filthy fucking Jew.
What did I say to you? I said don't take it.
Come here. Take me with you. I want to give up my faith and become a Christian. I can't stay here another day. I hate him. And that damn woman, my life is hell. They're suffocating me.
I have the bond. Isadora, come, daughter, come.
Listen, meet me down by the hotel. Midnight, 12 o'clock tonight. I'm taking you from all of this. Hear me, baby?
Make sure.